to myself, man, it's like I had two friends that talked to me about trying to, put education out there, and both of them are very, very skeptical. The information that's out there is just the same thing over and over and over again, so they weren't interested in it. So my one friend, he wasn't a fan of even kind of answering a few questions to kind of see how he fits in regards to a profile. Because I think it's very important to know where you are. Self-knowledge is something that can propel you and push you forward. If you know about yourself, you can determine how you think in certain situations, how you react in certain situations. And the biggest thing with that is if you know what your demeanor is, you can change that. But if you don't, then essentially you just consider that, well, that's me and that's how I am, that's how I'm going to say. And again, it was very difficult for me to even kind of share some of these ideas with him. And then another friend talked with him, and he said, okay, well, I see what you're trying to do, but, you sort of had to break the shell because everybody's doing the same thing. So what I'm deciding to do is do something different. I want to put the truth out in front of you. I want to put the stuff out that you're probably not hearing from everyone else. You're probably not hearing from the professionals that you're working with, because the position that I'm in is I like to ask questions. I want to know that if somebody's selling me a product, how are they benefiting from selling me that product? Are they doing the same thing that I am? Are they doing it just for money? Are they doing it just for this? And so those reasons help me make an educated decision. Because if someone's making money off of selling me a product and that's their only focus, they're not really passionate about it, they're just kind of focused on sales and focused on, getting the sale and sort of hooking me up on that, that's not really something I'm interested in. I could always buy whatever product I want from somebody out there. But in any case, that's kind of the feeling with that. But wanted to, again, start today with truth, just give you something that maybe you haven't thought about yet.